everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Anusree and I create videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. And if you're interested in this kind of content, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Then you will be notified every time I upload a new video and you can stick with me. So today I'm filming this summer glowy long-lasting base routine and how to get that base, and I'm gonna share you my best tips and tricks so that you get to know how to do this flawless base during the summer and have a sweat-proof long-lasting makeup base. And by the way, if you are wondering how I did this eye makeup look, then make sure that you tune in into the next week's video, because there I'm showing you how to do this beautiful mesmerizing eye makeup look, which is perfect for the summertime. And now without further talking, let's get into this video. So firstly, I'm going to use a primer, and you need to use a primer for like flawless long-lasting base, because it's gonna blur your pores and smooth out any kind of harsh lines and texture on your skin, and it will help your foundation to glide on nicely and also gonna make it last longer. So that's why I'm using this primer today, and this is by the Maybelline, this one. Okay, so firstly put on some primer, but you don't wanna like use a lot. You should use really little amount. So I'm just taking some of it and I'm gonna put it on the pore area that's around my nose. And also I would like to use it on the smile lines, and a little bit on my chin and forehead. The next thing is you need to set your base with powder so that whenever you sweat, it doesn't like cake up and doesn't look very shiny over the foundation. So the reason of using powder is to control the oils coming through, because if you wear long hours of foundation, then the oils come through the pores and the face looks very shiny, cakey, and there is most probability of rubbing off the foundation. So that's why I'm using a powder, so that it sets all over the face and keeps your base flawless throughout the day. So that's why I'm using a powder today. So don't worry, because it's gonna look matte now, but we're gonna make it glowy in the next step. I'm using again my favorite powder, and it's the Fit Me powder, this one. And I'm mainly focusing on the areas I get oily, and that's around my nose, forehead, and a bit on the chin. So you should focus on those areas where you get oily. Okay, after the powder, I would like to use a setting spray, because it will melt down all the powderiness of your face and give you that skin-like finish that we want for the flawless foundation. So I'm using the MAC Prep Plus Primer, Fix Plus, this one today, because that's my favorite one, and it's really great for that skin-like finish. Now I'm going to use some highlighter, I mean liquid highlighter, before I put on the foundation. I'm doing it so that I can get a bit of subtle glow through the foundation. Like even if I put on the foundation, I can see a bit of glow poking through the foundation. It's gonna give you that flawless glowy base. So that's why I'm using this one. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream, this one. And I'm just gonna put it to the high points of my face, like the cheekbones, temples, and chin, maybe a bit on Cupid's bow. Okay, so finally I'm gonna put on foundation now, but I'm gonna mix some of that liquid highlighter, this one, and I'm gonna use this foundation by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna mix a drop of it in the foundation so that I can get that overall glow throughout my face. I'm just gonna mix a bit. Now comes the concealer. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Aged Wine Concealer, this one, but I'm gonna put not that much because otherwise it's gonna cake up. So I'm just gonna use it underneath my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. So I'm done with my concealer, but I would like to use some powder underneath my eyes, smile lines, and my nose because I have applied powder, that's okay, but it would secure that concealer and not let it crease. So it's better to use powder later after you are done with like foundation and concealer, because it would like lock everything in and make your skin look flawless. I'm using the this Wet n Wild powder, this one, and just gonna take the highlighting shade, this one, and I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyes to set that area. Now I'm again going back to the setting spray, this MAC Fix Plus. Again, I'm gonna mist it all over my face. If we use the setting spray after putting on foundation, powder, and concealer, it's going to lock everything in. I'm going to use the setting spray over the foundation, concealer, and powder to lock everything in. This. So I'm done with the flawless foundation routine. So these were my tips and tricks for that flawless, long-lasting makeup base, and these are like really simple and easy tips you can follow to make your base look flawless and last long during the hot, sweaty summer. And today's notification shout out goes to this comment. Congratulations to you, and if you want to get a shout out in my next video, then please leave a comment and comment down below. Do you have any special tips to make your makeup look flawless and last it longer? Share me in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna pick one of your comments and feature you in my next video. And if you have liked this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up because that supports my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notification from me when I post a new video. And that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.